In this week's video, we will show you all the features in the upper toolbar one by one, so you can learn when and how to use them. As a first step, we can draw the outer walls of the building. Here you can start drawing the rooms by pressing this button. When the rooms are done, you can continue by adding the doors. Let me add a quick uplan tooltip here. We recommend you to use the hotkeys to auto-select a function. For example, pressing the key number 4 can help you draw the windows smoothly. The scale function is available here, where you can measure distances of objects on the layout. The material of the walls and ceilings of the rooms can be selected here, which influences the calculation of the back boxes for the different devices. The icon of the wizard function offers the possibility to automatically place the devices of the locks on home automation system, conventional electrical system, or the IT network of the building. The next one is the well-known undo and redo functions, which will certainly not be new to anyone, allowing you to undo the last action or cancel the undone one if necessary. Other icons in the toolbar can be displayed or hidden here by clicking on the arrow. Use this following button to set the opacity of the background, so you can use a completely blank floor plan. You may need to resize the icons in your layout, which you can do here. The previously created scaling is often not needed in a particular design phase, so you can easily hide or display it for better transparency. If automatically displayed room names and floor plans are also in the way, you can turn them off by clicking here. You can display the unique identifiers of the placed icons on the floor plan. These are the identifiers that are also listed in the documentation section. The visibility of automatically assigned or individually added notes can be toggled on and off here. You can also visualize the detection range of the locks-on automation system's presence sensors to make sure there are no blind spots left in the building. The next one is the angle of view of the cameras, indoor or outdoor, as part of the security system can also be displayed. We can model the signal strength of the placed Wi-Fi access points when used at 2.4 and 5 GHz frequencies, which can also be very useful when designing an IT system. This function helps to check and visualize the material of previously installed walls and ceilings. You can show or hide the grid by clicking here. These are all the functions we currently have in this menu bar. Hopefully you found something new you can use in your projects. Electrical planning can be that easy with uplan.